Hi YouTubers, I'm Jonah, and today's tutorial how to change your oil and filter on a 2017 EcoBoost Mustang. And safety first, let's put it on ramps. Then safety wheel chokes on both sides of the tires. An extra safety precaution, safety floor jacks, not to raise the car, but just to hold it in place, to give it more stability. Now let's open our hood and get started. Sometimes I fumble looking for that yellow lever. Now I throw down some cardboard and throw down my dirty oil pan catcher. Doesn't hurt to have extra floor padding. Also, before we get under the car, don't forget safety glasses. Here's a view of our oil pan and our 15mm drain bolt. Therefore, we use our 15mm socket wrench. And we turn it counterclockwise. As you can hear, I'm having a little bit of a problem. Every time I bring it to the dealer for an oil change, they always seem to over-torque this bolt. You only need 19 foot-pounds of pressure. I'm going to need a little help with my trusty hammer. I'm going to give it a little tap 2 or 3 times just to crack it open. And there you go. Then I unscrew my drain bolt and then quickly pull it out. So make sure you have your oil pan ready to quickly catch the oil. Remember, the oil is also hot, so it's good to have your gloves underneath your latex gloves also. And while our oil is still draining, let's take a look at our oil filter. So here's our old oil filter. This is going to be the messiest part of the job. So have your latex gloves ready. Also, the oil will be hot, so it's good to have your regular gloves underneath your latex gloves. And again, we rotate the filter counterclockwise. And you can see I'm having another little problem. Like I said before, every time I bring it to the dealer for an oil change, they even over-torque the oil filter. It should only be hand tightened. Or maybe I should start working out again. What do you think? Anyways, I'm going to need a little bit of help with my oil filter wrench.
Man, you kidding me?
And finally, a little movement. Here we go. I usually turn the filter slowly, and then once I see the oil leak out, I turn it as quick as possible. But there's no way getting out of it. It's still gonna get a little dirty. or maybe a lot dirty.
What a mess.
While we let the oil drain, we're going to inspect our drain bolt and install the bolt back into the oil pan. Always hand start your bolt so not to strip it. Tighten your bolt to 0 torque, but don't over tighten. You only need 19 foot-pounds of pressure. So I use this type of oil filter because it's got that nice sure grip, which makes it easier for me to hand tighten. And I only use 100% synthetic oil, 5W30. Then with your clean gloves, I lubricate the seal around the oil filter. This helps give a tighter seal. Then I clean around the area and install my filter clockwise. Remember to hand tighten only, and when you think it's tightened, give it a quarter turn for good measure. Now it's time to put our fresh new oil in. So the EcoBoost Mustang takes 5.4 liters of oil. So let's empty all 5 liters and a rough estimate of 0.4 liters again. Check your dipstick about 3 to 4 times to get the correct reading. Remember, the car is still on ramps, so your reading might be a little off. So when the car is off the ramps, take another 2 or 3 readings. It should be on this line, left of the hatch marks. If it reaches the hole on the left, then it's too high. Now we start the motor for about 2 to 3 minutes to check for leaks. And everything looks good to me. So if you liked my video or found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, comment, and and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so you can get my latest videos. And as always, thanks for watching.